Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to change time zone on Shopify. First thing first, from your Shopify admin, click Settings at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. This is where all your store-wide configurations are managed. Under Store Details, scroll down to the Standards and Formats section. Find Currency and select the currency that best matches your business or target market. For example, USD, Euros, DZD, etc. In the same section, look for Time Zone. Click the drop-down menu and select the time zone that matches your business location or audience. Once all selections are made, currency, time zone, and measurement system, click Save in the top right corner, and your Shopify store will now display the correct local time, currency, and measurement format across all operations. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.